Hi, my name is Jair Alexis Martinez Peña. I study telecommunication engineering. Presentation task 4. Company Holcim. The reason for choosing the Holcim company is from contamination to air pollution to emission of carbon dioxide. The contamination is more frequent at night so that the inhabitants of the municipality of Nobsad don't realize this problem. A letter was sent to Holcim indicating the reason why I am dissatisfied with the treatment of the environment. A plan that can help to improve is the means to the environment is decrease 2 hours of broadcast, improve the emission system so that it is about international standards. It as will help decrease global warming. Humans and animals and their respect ecosystems will be safe. Thank you.